Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastCredit Pro. So in this video, we're going to be explaining the credit label here. So it's pretty straightforward. We can basically adjust this label as needed. However, if you want to make sure that you put the S on there, so it's going to be credits, and any singular value will be kind of stripped from it. So I'll show you what I mean. Just save those changes. And then if we go visit the site, let's have a look, visit store. And you can see here, this item has one credit value, so the S has been stripped, and otherwise it's showing us credits here. So if we go back into the settings and say we changed it to tokens, and just reload this shop, you can see the values here have changed again. So it's either token for a singular value or tokens. Obviously this one is separate up here because this is one we've manually added, and any other places that we manually add the value, obviously you need to change it there as well. So if we go back into the settings and we look at the values here, obviously the button value, and also in the WooCommerce payment gateway itself, if we look at the payments and then the payment gateway here, you need to update these values as well to reflect whatever values you want to put on your site and the value here. So if I quickly show you the other places that it's going to appear when you're going through the checkout process. So if we go back to the credit label, let's just change it to tokens for now so you can see the actual difference. So I'm going to change it to tokens. Right, we'll forget about these being the wrong value for now. And we'll actually just go visit the shop, right? So we'll just refresh this. Right, so you can see I've updated that to have a 20 tokens value. And this is going to be called tokens, right? Even though it says credits up here, ignore that. We're just going to add this to cart. And we'll go view the cart. Okay, so you can see here the value is in tokens. Proceed to checkout. And you can also see here the value in tokens. You get a feel for where it's going to be updated. And you can see here it says buy credit. That's because that's based on the value that's in here, in the settings on the buy credit button. So if we wanted to change that as well, buy tokens. We go back to the checkout here. You can see that value updates there as well. So if we just place the order now, and you can see here on the actual order details as well, the value here is in tokens. It does say credits purchase, which is a payment method. We may look at updating that. It's not essential at this point, but it may change in a future update just to reflect the value that's here. And then if we go and view the My Account section, you can see the value here is in tokens. And then again, the orders that the customer is going to view from their order history. These are going to be in tokens as well, or whatever value you decide to put there. Okay, so I hope this explains kind of the credits label. Obviously, where you manually adjust it, you'll need to change that. But generally, throughout the site, it's going to be updated automatically based on the value that you place here as well. So if you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying the content that we're providing here on YouTube and the plugins that we're putting out, just give us a quick like, subscribe and share and all that stuff, because it's going to help us grow this channel. We're at a very early stage at this point, so I'm just making this little call out here. I'm going to stick in all the videos that you're probably going to see just to keep reminding you. And also, if you got a comment, leave a comment, and if you got requests for videos, let us know as well, so that we can kind of just keep on top of stuff and just bring you stuff that you want to know. Anyway, I look forward to connecting. Any questions, let me know, and chat soon.